On this digital exam question, we're being asked to find values of x that make the inequality true. We're going to use Boolean Logic to test different values given to see which are greater than the fraction 28/5. If the answer we get is 1, the statement is true. If the answer we get is 0, the statement is false. The first value we're going to check is square root of 34. So we're going to type second x squared to get our square root, arrow out of the radical. To access the test menu, we're going to press second math and find our greater than inequality under option 3. Now we're going to type the fraction by pressing alpha y equals to get our fraction template and enter 28/5. Our answer given is 1, which means this statement is true. Now we're going to test the next value given, which is -8. I'm going to type -8, second math to get back to my test menu, and I'm going to compare it again to 28/5. Notice this answer given is 0, which means that is not a true statement and -8 is not a correct answer. Let's go through and test them all. Once we've tested them all, we can choose the correct answers of square root of 34, 19/3, and 2 square root 11.